Hey everyone, this is Whitney. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my January 2022 Boxycharm box. Before we get into the unboxing, definitely click the like button if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback or any kind of questions or anything you have about the video. Throw those in the comments down below. And also, if you like my content, I would love for you to subscribe. I would love to have you. And every time I release new videos, you'll be notified. Yes. So, let's jump right into it. Just in case someone's watching this video for the first time and does not know anything about Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. And you get 5 to 6 full-size items in every box. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to learn more about Boxycharm. The box used to be like $25 a month. Now at the first of the year, they raised the price up to $27.99. So yeah. And unfortunately, this will be my last Boxycharm box for a little while. I'm trying to save money, y'all. I got some stuff going on, so I'm trying to save a little money. So I am going to be at least pausing my subscription for a few months. And on top of that, I've gotten to a point where I've gotten so much makeup, I almost have to play catch up. So yeah, but other than that, super excited to unbox this video. It'll be my last for a while, but probably later on this year, I might re-up my subscription. All right, so enough of me talking. Let's jump into the unboxing. So, like always, I'm unboxing this box without knowing the majority of the items. There's one item that I know is in there because I got to choose that item, but the rest of the items I have no idea. I try to stay off Boxycharm's Instagram page. I try to stay away from other YouTubers who I know are like getting PR boxes, so they're like the first people to unbox it. I love a surprise, y'all, so I like to be surprised, and I like for you all to see my live reaction to the product. So yeah, I don't know what's in this box except for one item. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so this is what the box looks like when I open it up. Oops, sorry. So the theme, so every month they have a theme, and the theme for this month's box is refresh. And then on the back, they always list the products that are in the box, as well as manufacturers suggest the retail price. And as you all, anybody who's looked at any of my videos in the past, I'll put the price of all the items up here or down here. I'll put the price of all the items as well as the total, how much everything came out to. Because usually it's a lot. Usually it ranges like things between like $75 and $100 and like $50 per box. So you usually get your money's worth out of the products. Now, if you like every product, you know, that's up to you. But, you know, it is a good value and letting you try items before you actually decide to like repurchase them again. Okay. So the first item is this. This is called Dragun Beauty. Dragun Beauty. I might be saying that wrong. So Dragun Beauty, this is their lip job plus liner. A lip job liner plus lip pencil sharpener. That's what this is. Let's see. So the Dragun Beauty, this one retails for $18. Alright, so this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. It's a pretty long eyeliner. And it also comes with this sharpener as well, so that's kind of nice. It was like stuck all the way at the bottom of the packaging, so if you purchase this, make sure you don't throw the packaging away without getting this out, because it was stuck at the very bottom, so I had to like finagle it out. So look, this is like in a dark brown color. I really know it's like a lighter brown. Well, I can always use a nice lip liner. I actually have some from the lip bar that I ordered a while back, and I want to do a reaction video, like first look video at that as well. So this is cool. It's nice to always have an eyeliner. I'm sorry, a lip liner. And this is something that the brand I've never heard of before, so it's a new brand to me as well. So that's item number one. Item number two. the Farmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. So this was my choice item. I actually got this confused. I think in my previous video for December, I thought I was supposed to get this item, but it was actually my January choice item. So yeah, I was a little confused, but this is what that is. Super excited about this because y'all know I'm a skincare girl all the way, and Farmacy is like a really popular brand. A lot of people love it on Instagram. I see a lot of people posting about it, so I'm super excited to try this. I also have their Honey Halo. I got that as a Christmas gift, so I need to try that as well. So this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. I love this bottle. I love like the look of it. And this Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum is $44. So let's see what the applicator looks like. Okay, so just like a little squeeze. Or not really squeeze, but like a pump. Just pump it out. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one, you all. Really excited about this. Let's do this one next. This is from Item. Sorry, you can't really see that. But it's from Item Beauty. I've heard of them before. They're Lip Quick Lip Oil. So it's one of their lip oils. And this one is a $14 product. And they also say this is a new brand to box. So a new brand they hadn't put in before. So this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. It's cute little packaging. And the color I have is in Come Through. Come Through. I'm gonna pull this out so y'all can kind of see what it looks like. Yeah, so that's cool. I always like lip oils and anything for my lips, especially in the winter time. My lips get so dry, so I would definitely use this. Moving right along here. The next thing is the LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. So it comes in some cute little packaging. I like that triangle. And LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer retails for $18. So this is what it looks like outside the packaging. I love this. Like, I like this triangle packaging they got going on here. And this is what it looks like. And they gave this to me in color Strength Dark. So they must have like looked at my profile and seen that I am a melanated individual. So I need a little bit of something with some color for my color. So yeah, this is nice. I really like this. Y'all, I'm having a brain fart. I'm really liking this packaging that it came in. It's really pretty. I like that. So that's cool. And I think I said it already, but if not, it's $18. Super cute packaging. Love that. Last but not least is this item, if you all can see it. It is the Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Professional Strength. Yeah, I don't really understand why they do packaging like this. Like, this is literally what the product looked like out of the box. But literally, all this packaging over here on this side was empty. So the product was right here. So I feel like that's like a waste of packaging. And y'all know I'm about sustainability, so that's just a little bit too wasteful for me. But off my soapbox. So this is the Dermelect Revitalite Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector, and it retails for $59, y'all. $59. That's crazy. Trying to see how I get this off. Okay. Oh, so it comes with one of these types of applicator tips, the fancy tips, which it should for that much money. So yeah. Not really sure. It says apply twice daily directly over eye area, including under eye, eyelid, brow bone, and side eye area. Okay, so something I could try out. It's a skincare product, so, and then like an eye cream type product. So I'll try this out. And that is everything that was in the January 2020 box, or at least my specific box, because there are different versions of the boxes. And I forgot to mention, I get the base box. There's like the premium and the luxe, but I always get the base box, and not the cheapest box. Okay, so just to recap, I got the Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. I got the LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer in color Strength Dark. I got the Item Lip Quick Lip Oil in color Come Through. Also got the Farmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. And then I got the Dragun Beauty Lip Job Liner with the Lip Pencil Sharpener. So that's pretty nice. Alright. So I will calculate these all up and put the grand total up here somewhere so you all can see how much in value we got out of this box right here. But overall, the item that I'm most excited to try out, definitely this Farmacy Feeling Good. Like, I'm a skincare girl all the way, so definitely excited to try this. As well as, I don't know, I just love the like product design, the product packaging on this, on the LYS No Limits Matte Bronzers. This is pretty cool. All right, so another Boxycharm unboxing complete. Like I said, unfortunately, this will be my last box for a little while. I probably will resubscribe later on in the year once I save up some more money, some more coins, you all. But yeah, it was a good box. All right, so if you like this video, definitely like it. Leave any comments down below. I would love to hear your feedback, or hear if you're a Boxycharm subscriber, what did you think of the January 2022 box? And then too, if you like my content, if you like my videos, why not subscribe? It's free, you all. So yeah, definitely subscribe to my channel so you can be kept in the loop anytime I release new videos. And I have them lined up, y'all. I got the videos lined up. All right, so up above, I'll link to the December 2021 Boxycharm box in case you want to check out what we got last month. So you can go ahead and do that. All right, well, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.